I'm Wasteland Firebird. I'm running a little event called the Great Route 66 Centennial Convergence. And in preparation for this event, I wrote a little book. It's a guide to Route 66. It's the newest and perhaps even the most up-to-date, because it's just up-to-date as of very recently, guide. And oh, it is lovely. It's Wasteland Firebird's big list of the 434 best things on Route 66. And it has QR codes for everything that I think is worth seeing on the route. All you have to do is scan them in, and you can use your GPS to take you to the next destination. If you enter all 434 in, you will mostly follow Route 66, and you will see all the best things on the route. Has plenty of white space, so you can get passport stamps or autographs or whatever you want, or you can take notes about your trip. There's white space in this book on purpose. I'm going to give them away.
You should sign some.
I'm going to sign them all. I'm going to give them away during the Great Route 66 Centennial Convergence, April 11th in Chicago, all the way to Santa Monica, April 30th. That's the only way you can get them, is I'm going to give them away for now. After the convergence is done, I might sell some, that kind of thing, but right now, you just got to find me on Route 66 between April 11th and April 30th. I will leave some at various stores along the route. So you may see one of these on the route somewhere. I'll see you on the route in April. April 11th in Chicago, April 30th at the Santa Monica Pier, and everywhere in between. I'm Wasteland Firebird. Later.